Ever wondered what Morse code actually looks like? It's way easier to understand than you think, and you can start sending secret messages in minutes. All you need to know are two simple things: dots and dashes. Every letter has its own pattern, like C is dash dot, D is dash dot, and E is just a single dot. To speak in Morse code, you simply combine the letters and their patterns to form words. A super important one everyone should know is SOS, the emergency signal. S is 3 quick dots, O is 3 long dashes, and S again is 3 quick dots. So if you ever need to call for help, you just tap 3 times quickly, hold for 3, and tap 3 times again. Share this video to help more people learn this life-saving trick.